Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Kenwood Multipro food processor. I'm so excited to be trying this, guys. As you can see, it does a lot of function. It chops, it slices, it shreds, it whisks. There's a blender. It's just kind of endless at the moment. I kind of wanted an equipment in my kitchen that was kind of multifunctional. You know, sometimes, especially when I'm shredding stuff like cabbage and all of that, because you know I make a lot of coleslaw and stuff like that. Sometimes it just gets too hectic with my hands, so I kind of wanted something, but I didn't want something just for shredding. So you know what, I started to do some research and I found this, and you know what, shout out to my mom because she actually got this for me. So you know, let's say, yeah, still getting things from mommy, but that's okay. So anyway, yeah, what I'm doing now, I'm just literally going through and just taking out what is in there, and yeah, just exploring. Guys, look how sharp this looks. Oh my god, like that would be whizzing up some veg in no time. So in this box now are the different types of blades, I should call them, that comes with this in this package. Yeah, these stuff, I think they operate like two-sided, because you'll see later on down when I tried to grate some stuff, or slice some stuff I should say, it was kind of a bit so what I did, I just kind of flipped the blade over, and yeah, it just works. So you just gotta kind of use it. I don't want to say play with it, because you know we don't play with tools, but you know what, just try it out and just see what works for you and what's better for you, which is what I did. And as I said, you'll see that coming up. And also it comes with this obviously everything comes with an instruction book, but what I like about this instruction book is, you know, it's got recipes in it, and you know, it just shows you the different functions of this food processor. And yeah, I'm actually excited to test this out. I'm actually excited to have this in my kitchen. So yeah. Yeah, so because my onions kind of came out like kind of diced and chopped at the same time, what I did at this point was just to flip over the blade and just try again. I love the way these cucumbers came out so thin and just, yeah. And also, I tried the grating blade with the carrot, and it was just like, yeah, no, that's not what I wanted. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out how. Actually, this might go good if you wanted to, you know, like grate some Parmesan cheese or stuff. But I think with this particular blade, you have to use the setting guide that's actually on the food processor. I think it's got like a different 2 millimeters or something like that. So I tried the different blade, and instead of, I just flipped it around again, and it came out how I wanted it to come out. Try different things with the blades to see what they can actually do, and yeah, you'll know. I'm quite happy with this. I'm definitely happy with this. Guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you subscribe to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen, and don't forget, you work hard, you push harder, you aim high. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.